Kansas City Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 4747 Flora Avenue, Kansas City, Missouri on October 26, 2023 at 8 p.m. Abducted was Camille Hill, black female, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a white 2008 Saturn Blue bearing Missouri registration EG6, A5J. Vehicle has a broken rear passenger side wing window. Vehicle/suspect last seen in the area of 42nd and Nolan Road in Independence. Suspect 1 is a black female. Suspect 2 is a black female. Further information about the suspects or their descriptions is unknown at this time. Victim Camille Hill has black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a white bow in her hair, green shirt, and brown pants. Owner of the vehicle was assaulted by 2 unknown black females and the vehicle then stolen with a child still in the vehicle. Please call 911 or Kansas City Police Department at 816-234-5230 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Temperature is wrong.
This is a cancellation of an Amber Alert that was issued by Kansas City Police Department on October 26, 2023 at 8 p.m. Abducted was Camille Hill,